Today we're going to be doing a review of some of the story problems that we've been working on. So I'd like you to take out your math packet and open up to page 137. It says discuss types of problems. We're going to do this page together and then you will work on your assignment. On page 137, at the beginning it says addition and subtraction problems. Addition and subtraction problems involve two addends and a total. Either the total or one addend will be unknown. For example, number 1, Hassan has 5 marbles. Jenny gave him more marbles. Now Hassan has 14 marbles. How many marbles did Jenny give to Hassan? So if I were going to write an equation with a variable, I would say that he had 5 marbles and then he got some more. I'm going to put M for more. At the end, he had 14. So I need to figure out, am I missing a partner or a total? Well, I'm missing a partner, so that means I need to subtract 14, take away 5 will give me my answer of 9. So Jenny gave him 9 marbles. You should be writing this down in your packet for number 1. Number 2, after spending 40 cents, Michael has 6 dimes. How much money did he start with? Well, this is a little bit tricky because first of all, we need to think of what are 6 dimes? What does that equal? Well, I know that 6 dimes equals 60 cents because dimes are 10 cents a piece. So after spending 40 cents, he has 60 cents left. How much did he start with? So now we're missing the beginning. We don't know what he started with, but we know he spent 40 cents. And at the end, he had 60 cents left. So we are missing the total. We need to know what it was that he started with. So to find that, we're going to add 60 plus 40 equals 100 cents, or you could write it as $1. For number 3, and if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and finish your writing. For number 3, Eliza has $15. The amount is $7 less than she had yesterday. How much money did she have yesterday? So today she has $15. I'm putting T for today. Yesterday, we don't know how much she has, but she has $7 less today. So that means yesterday's bar is going to be bigger. How much bigger? $7 bigger. So we need to figure out how much money did she have yesterday? What is 15 plus 7? And our answer would be 22. Number 4, the school has 20 windows open. There are 50 windows altogether. How many windows are closed? So there are 20 windows open plus some number that are closed equals 50 windows total. Well, 20 plus what will get us to 50? C equals 30. So those are some examples of word problems that you would use addition and subtraction for. I'm going to go over quickly when you would use multiplication and division. Number 5 says, Javon has 30 trading cards. He has 3 times as many as Ramon. How many trading cards does Ramon have? So Javon has 30. And Ramon has, if Javon has 3 times as many as Ramon, Ramon has 1/3 of what Javon has. Now I know we haven't talked about this a lot yet, And so if this is something that's hard for you, just do your very best. If Javon had 30 and we need to know what 1/3 of that is, I could think, well, if I split 30 into 3 equal groups, I could have 10, 10, and 10. So 1/3 of 30 would be 10. You could also think of it as 1/3 as a division, is 30 divided by 3. How many threes are there in 30? There are 10. One more together here. Janita has 5 baskets of apples with 10 apples in each basket. She gave away 2 baskets. How many apples does she have now? Again, this problem is a few steps, so we have to be careful. So she has 5 baskets of apples with 10 apples in each basket. And she gave 2 baskets away. So first of all, we think she had 5 baskets and gave 2 baskets away. So she has 3 baskets left. But there are 10 apples in each basket. So we have to multiply 3 times 10, which would get us to 30. On the next page in your packet, page 138, you are going to do numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now I'd like you to put a star by number 12. Number 12 is going to be extra credit. You're also going to do homework 3-6, and you can cross out the remembering page on the back. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I'm sure you'll do great.